Question 81. The members of Board of Election of the President of India are 1. Elected members of Lok Sabha. 2. Elected members of Rajya Sabha. 3. Elected members of Vidhan Sabha. 4. Elected members of Vidhan Parishad. Code A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 1, 2 and 3, D. 1, 3 and 4. Explanation. Option C is correct. The President of India is elected by the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote, and the voting at such election shall be done by secret ballot. This is an indirect method of election. Article 54 describes the method of election of president. It says president shall be elected by the members of an electoral college consisting of all the elected members of both houses of parliament and all the elected members of the legislative assemblies of the states. Here, state involves National Capital Territory Delhi and Union Territory of Puducherry as provided by 70th Amendment Act, 1992. Question 82. The Chief Minister of a state in India is not eligible to vote in the presidential election if A. He is a candidate. B. He is yet to prove his majority on the floor of the lower house of the state legislature. C. He is a member of the upper house of the state legislature. D. He is a member of the lower house of the state legislature. Explanation. Option C is correct. Article 54 provides that the president shall be elected by an electoral college consisting of the elected members of both House of Parliament and the elected members of Legislative Assembly of the states. Thus, if Chief Minister of a state is a member of Upper House of the State Legislative Council, he is not entitled to vote in the election of the president. Question 83. Consider the following statements about the President of India. 1. He should be citizen of India by birth. 2. He should have completed the age of 35 years. 3. He should be qualified for election as a member of parliament. Which of these statements is/are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. 1 and 2. D. 1 and 3. Explanation. Option B is correct. Article 58, 1, of the Indian Constitution describes the qualification for the election of president. According to Article 58, 1, No person shall be eligible for election as president unless he A. is a citizen of India, B. has completed the age of 35 years, C. is qualified for the election as a member of the House of the People, Lok Sabha. Question 84. A member of parliament or a state legislature can be elected as president, but A. he will have to resign from his seat before contesting the election. B. he will have to relinquish his seat within 6 months of his election. C. he will have to relinquish his seat as soon as he is elected. D. An MP can contest, but an MLA cannot. Explanation. Option C is correct. According to Article 59(1) of the Indian Constitution, the President shall not be a member of either House of Parliament or of a House of the Legislature of any state, and if a member of either House of Parliament or of a House of the Legislature of any state be elected President, he shall be deemed to have vacated his seat in that House on the date on which he enters upon his office as President. Question 85. Given below are two statements. Assertion: A. The President is the part of the Parliament. Reason: A bill passed by 2 houses of Parliament cannot become law without the assent of the President. In the context of the above, which one of the following is correct? A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. Explanation. Option A is correct. According to Article 79, the Parliament includes the President and both the Houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and under Article 111, a bill becomes law only when it gets the President's assent.